What if the government told you your state pension is gone? No fixed retirement age. No guaranteed system as you know it. That's exactly what Tony Blair is now proposing, and it's sparking major controversy. In a bold and highly debated move, the Tony Blair Institute has suggested that the UK should completely scrap its current state pension system. Their argument? It's outdated, too rigid, and simply too expensive to maintain in the long run. Did you know that over 95% of our viewers aren't subscribed to the channel? We totally get it. Life gets busy and sometimes it's easy to forget. But here in the thing, subscribing is completely free and it really helps us to keep creating the content you enjoy. So why hit that subscribe button and join our community? It only takes a second, but it makes a world of difference to us. Thank you for your support. Instead, they're proposing something entirely new, called the Lifespan Fund. This system would completely change how retirement works. There would be no official retirement age. Instead, people could choose when to retire, but there's a catch. To receive full benefits, many workers might need to work up to 5 extra years compared to today. Here's how it would work. For every year you contribute through national insurance, you earn part of your pension. To get the maximum payout, you'd need around 40 years of contributions. Life events like studying, illness, or caregiving would still count. And your final pension? It wouldn't be fixed. It would depend on things like your age, your health, your life expectancy. One of the biggest shocks? The plan would scrap the triple lock system, the policy that guarantees pensions rise each year based on inflation, wages, or 2.5%, whichever is highest. Critics say this protection is essential. But supporters argue it's become too expensive, a cost escalator the country can't sustain. And here's the reality driving this debate right now. The UK has about 12.6 million retirees by 2070. That number could reach nearly 19 million. That means pension spending could climb to almost 8% of the entire economy. In simple terms, more retirees, fewer workers, and a system under serious pressure. Not everyone agrees with these changes. Keir Starmer has already pledged to keep the triple lock, saying retirees deserve financial stability. And public opinion backs that up. Most people still support keeping the current protections. Experts are also raising red flags. Some argue that linking pensions to personal health data and life expectancy could be invasive and unreliable. Others warn the new system could become too complex, replacing a simple structure with something much harder to understand. But the proposal does offer something new: flexibility. People could access part of their pension earlier in life, for example, if they're studying, retraining, job hunting, or caring for family. In extreme cases, some could even tap into their pension as early as their late 20s. So what's really happening here? This isn't just about pensions. It's about redefining how people work, retire, and live longer. Lives in a changing economy. The big question is, should governments protect the old system or completely reinvent it for the future? Because one thing is clear: the debate over pensions is just getting started.